Okay guys, today we're gonna dance like one of my favorite Christmas treats, a gingerbread man. But first, we gotta transform into one. Are you ready? Here we go.
Start with the cookie dough. Start with the cookie dough. Cut out the shape and cut out the shape. Bake it in the oven. Bake it in the oven. Now it's time to decorate. Now it's time to decorate. Icing all around. Candy up and down. Arms out, legs out like a star. Let's dance around.
We would love for you guys to sing along with